northwestern Benton County in north central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north central Texas, southern Wise County in north central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damage to winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cottontail, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will begin going around 8:45 p.m., Liner and Reno around 8:50 p.m., Aurora around 8:55 p.m., Pelican Bay and Diesel around 9 p.m., around 9:05 p.m., Lakeside around 9:10 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. Remember, severe thunderstorms occasionally produce tornadoes with little advance warning. A tornado watch remains in effect until